Brad Pitt, Lewis Hamilton, and Daisy Edgar Jones led the stars as the British Grand Prix kicked off on Thursday with their preview day at Silverstone. Actor Brad Rival Lewis and normal people star Daisy were among the big names arriving as the 4-day racing extravaganza, which runs from July 4-7, kicked off. Lewis toted a huge white designer man bag as he stepped out with his beloved pet Pooch ahead of the big weekend, while Rival Lando Norris showed off his muscles in a white vest. This year's event is about much more than just racing, with the festival putting on a series of huge musical performances from the likes of Kings of Leon and Stormzy over the next 4 days to entertain guests. The actual car racing begins with the practice day on Friday before the real racing kick-off on Saturday. Brad was there to film scenes for his upcoming F1 film, which is yet to be named. He will play the role of a veteran driver, Sonny Hayes, who is returning to the F1 grid after a long absence. Daisy looked as stylish as ever as she strolled around the paddocks in a black coat and shades, as she was moored by fans, who she kindly stopped to take some selfies with. Lewis brought his beloved pet Pooch with him and showed off his quirky fashion sense in a blue and white patterned jacket while toting a white designer man bag. In terms of musical performances at the Grand Prix 4-day event, Thursday kicked off with the arena-filling anthems of Kings of Leon, followed by Stormzy on Friday, which comes after the event Family Day. Saturday brings the legendary Pete Tong with his iconic dance mixes, and Rudimental will close out the weekend on Sunday. The Grand Prix has become more of a festival event in recent years, while before it was more sport-focused purely over the weekend. Belgian racing driver Lando was also seen walking around the paddock gearing up for a big weekend. He showed off his muscles in a white vest and looked in great spirits ahead of the racing. The preview event gives guests the chance to meet trainers, physios for the driver, and chat to future talent of the racing world. Brad is said to co-produce the film and act as the retired Formula One driver who gets back behind the wheel. So thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe the channel for more videos.